Yeah, baby, Josh here with DepriveD Productions back in Blender with a 28th modeling tutorial. Sorry I haven't seen you guys in a couple weeks. We're going to talk about constraining objects, but we're not going to constrain objects today. We're going to constrain lights and cameras. We're going to constrain a light and a camera to this bad baby. Press X on the cube, get rid of it. We never liked the cube anyway. Shift A, mesh, plane. Press S and 15. Now we have sized it by 15, and we're going to go over here to this top little corner and press that button, turn the Eevee on. Now we got some light, you know what I'm saying? We actually have some lighting and stuff like that. And the thing is, you can see that we have a light and a camera in the world or in the project. Go ahead and grab the camera, either clicking right here or clicking right here, press the delete key and get rid of it. Oh no, don't delete everything else. Anyway, point is, leave all that there. You can always control Z if you make a mistake. Anyway, let's click on the plane, go down here to this thing right here. Add a new material, only because we want some color. Click on the color, make it a little pale, like a, yeah, there we go, I like that, Let's leave that alone. Let's Shift A, mesh, add a UV sphere, okay? I'm only creating the plane so we can see what's going on. The UV sphere is what we're gonna work with. Let's bring it up by G, press G, hold it on the, press G and then Z to move it on just the Z axis, if you guys don't know that. We're in the same thing here. I got the materials tab selected with the ball selected, press new, go to the collar, and I'm gonna make it more like a yellow collar so it kind of stands out. But now I'm gonna click on this point light that it has here and press the delete key, and boom, we have no light, but now we have our ball. Okay, we got a ball and we got a plane, and what we gotta do is we're gonna add another light. Okay, we're gonna add a spotlight. So Shift A, go down to lights here, okay, and pick a spotlight, and then we're gonna press G and Z and bring it up like this. Okay, it needs some power, so you can tell that it's already selected the light tab here with the light selected. Let's turn the color to like a big bright blue, like a light blue, but turn this power up to one. Selected 1,000. Oh, now you got a little stuff. Okay, you got stuff on you, and it works. Okay, so now the point is, we want to move this ball, or we want to move this light, and have it follow this bad baby around like a spotlight, like if you were walking around on a play, being all theatrical. It's gross. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this tab right above the light with the light selected, and it's a constraints tab. Click on constraints and go to track 2. Now obviously you can constrain anything to anything, but right now we're talking about point lights, and we're using the track 2 one. That way we can actually point lights and cameras towards it. Now it's set, but it needs an object. You can find it in here if you want, or you can click on the pencil and then boom. Oh no, it's not working. Now if I press G, if I grab the thing and press G, it's trying, but it's not. So let's move the ball. Oh God, I'm gonna tell you how to fix that. Control Z. Make sure this is set to Z. Boom, got it right. Now it works. Nope, sure doesn't. Let's grab the ball. See what's going on here? Nope, doesn't. So we gotta do click the ball or click the light again. Go down to the up. See that up? Make sure it's pressed to X. You know what I'm saying? Now grab the light. Oh, you see what's happening? See what's happening? It's doing a little wavy. Yeah, I like that. It's kind of hot. I'm not gonna lie. Well, hold on. Oh, oops, don't press Control S, Control Z. It's not just working on the X. I mean, even though that was the Y, it's working on both angles. The point is, no matter where I put it, it is following that ball. And what's even cooler, I can grab his ball now. Yeah, baby, I can move the ball around. The light follows it and come up here a little bit, move it around a little bit. Okay, it's working. I like that. Again, now you see why I used the plane. Now you guys know why I did it. Okay, just in case you were wondering the whole time and giving me a hard time about it. Let's get rid of the light. I just want to point out that you can also do this with a camera. As simple as going Shift A. Let's grab a camera and then grab on the Z, GZ. Bring it up here, easy. GZ. Anyway, the point is, you know that you can press this button right here and you can be the camera. You can be the camera. But we need to make the camera attach to the ball. So with the camera selected, same thing. We're in the constraints tab. Go to track 2. Click the ball. It's going to be broken. So press the Z and then set this to X. And now you'll notice that no matter where I move the camera, it's always facing the ball. So now what's cool is I can be the camera, right? And I can grab the ball, and when I'm moving the ball, well, okay, so I'm getting a little dizzy, so I'm not gonna do this for very long, but you see what I've done. You see that I've got it to where I can move the ball, and let's get out of the camera view because I'm getting sick. All right, but the point is, I can move the ball, and I can move the camera, and it is attached to it based off of it's rotating towards it. Now, don't get, before we go any further, just understand that there are several different different ways to constrain. This is the track 2, and this is what I recommend when it comes to tracking, obviously right here when it comes to cameras and lights and stuff like that. There are several other different ways to do it, and we'll talk about that soon, but just remember that you definitely want to use track 2 if you're trying to point a light or a camera at an object and have it stay that way, or at least for an extended period of time. Guys, thanks for watching a 28th modeling tutorial in Blender. I love you, I miss you, I want to be on you, and I'm going to be soon, but until then, please subscribe to the YouTube YouTube channel, DepriveD Productions. Hit us up on Facebook. We're right under 3,000 subscribers. It's been a lot of fun. We're working on some cool stuff. I love you guys. I miss you guys. It's been a lot of fun. I know we were absent there for a while, but hope you guys continue watching. We got videos coming out and all kind of cool music coming out. Can't wait to show it to you. Some gaming coming out. Everything. A little bit of everything on the way. Love you, miss you. Until next time, I hope you learned a little something. If you have any questions, hit me up on Facebook. All the links are in the description of the video. Love you, miss you one more time. Peace.